Welcome back to RamZland. Today I'm so excited. We're going to make tin crystals by electrolyzing a solution of Stannous chloride. Check it out. The first step is to add some Stannous chloride crystals into your solution and begin stirring it until all the crystals have dissolved and will be really milky, and that's why we've got to filter it. And now I'm getting my filtered Stannous chloride, and you want to make sure that you've got a nice thin film of Stannous chloride all the way across the Petri dish before you connect your electrodes to each side of the dish. Okay, I'm now ready to add my power source to electrolyze my Stannous chloride solution. Right away, you can start seeing crystals growing over here on the sides. And this is a reduction reaction. As you're gaining electrons over here, where you're starting to see the tin crystals form very quickly. Amazing. Look at those tin crystals. Very cool. Let's check them out. Look at all of the tin crystals that developed. That is just amazing.